Hello everyone, it's me. I am here to give you guys a quick tour of my house. Just to give you a little bit of a reference of what we purchased and how much it was and so on. I actually started filming this without really knowing all the details as to how much we purchased. I can't remember off the top of my head. So I'll probably just write it down in the description below once I figure that out. I just kind of wanted to film something for you guys very quickly. So we're just gonna start with the whole house tour. It is a 3-bedroom house with 2 full bathrooms and a half bathroom downstairs. It is a 2-story, and we live in a community, so we don't have our own pool, but it does have its community pool, and it has like a play structure for young children and so on. We do have a garage, 2-car garage, and there seems to be a good amount of parking on the street, so that's pretty nice. And you know, there's a lot of roaming around, walking areas that you can kind of entertain yourself with, so it's a nice little community. And I will actually show you what the community looks like. I won't show you what my address is or any street names. I don't want you guys stalking me and coming up to my house and stuff, okay? It's not nice to come over uninvited. Anyway, so I'm upstairs right now. I'm gonna go downstairs, and I think I'm just gonna start from the garage and on. I'm telling you, it's not gonna be very long because it's a small house. So talk to you in a minute. Let's get to it. And here we are downstairs, and I'm standing in front of the garage door, and I'll show you the garage before we go upstairs. So this is, you know, me coming in from the garage. This is the upstairs, the stairs. This is the downstairs closet. I know. I actually bought some containers so that I can put all this crap away, but I need it. I need all this stuff. Okay, that mat's going upstairs, don't mind me. And this is the downstairs bathroom. As you can see, small but long, just what you need. So this is supposed to be like a breakfast nook. See that light? So you're supposed to put like a table down here and some chairs, but we're not gonna do that. We're actually going to just add more countertops, just kind of like how you see this. Just make that more into countertops. And I think we're gonna try and use that refrigerator. We're gonna make it fit with the countertops. If not, it's just gonna go in the garage, and it's just gonna be extra stuff. So this is a pantry. This all the appliances came with the house. I'm sure you can opt not to. Some people take their appliances with them, but ours came with them. We liked it, stainless steel. You can't really beat that. We have a nice little window over here. That's the sink. So that's what I have there. I'm gonna be making a cake later, so that is why we have that. In this little corner, we have coffee and KitchenAid. That's why we kind of want to build onto here, so I can either make a coffee bar or put the KitchenAid mixer there, just to give it more space. And we wanted to get rid of this, you know, lighting here, and just maybe just do something like that over here. All right, now this is the front door, bar area here. This is our dining table, so you can get a glimpse of what the outside looks like. It's so pretty. Just turn the light on here. This is the living room. It is small, but cozy. Look at that. Okay. That's our television here. See, I mean, you can kind of rearrange it any way you want. You can always put the TV onto this wall and move it around. You can always add different seating. See, look at that. This is our small little yard. Let me show you. Okay, that's about it. I mean, it really just has space to put a table here, some chairs, the barbecue. We just have a small barbecue. We brought that with us when we moved here, but it works great. It's just David and I, and it does what we need to do. I hardly ever go out here. David's really the only one that goes out here because he uses the barbecue. But yeah, I mean, if you have a kid, I guess you could put down like a little slide. You just have to be mindful of your space. There you go. It's cute, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the garage. We actually got these put in a couple of months ago and they've been really helpful. See, there's lots of space over here. I'm trying not to show you guys my license plates. That's our trash. See, all you need. Fits 2 cars. I'm sure if we had a bigger car, it would fit just fine. We just have to be more mindful of like the stuff that we have right here on the side. Yeah, everything fits. Now this is the upstairs. We hardly ever, no, we have never used those blinds because we cannot reach them. I don't even think David can reach them, and he's pretty tall. Okay. And there you have it. Okay, let me show you over here. This is the master bedroom. Laundry room. One of the guest rooms, we use it as an office. Guest room. Linen closet. This is the linen closet. Yes, it's in use right now. It's the weekend, and I am doing all the laundry that I possibly can. The one great thing about the house is that we have all these amazing windows. So we have this. This came with the house as well. The washer and the dryer, you can't beat that. It already has this. And this space, I believe, is for maybe adding like a sink, like a pre-treatment sink, whatever those things are. A lot of the homes in Las Vegas do have these, so just keep that in mind. Now we're going to go into the office guest room area. Hello, Nest. I still don't know what lights are which. It's funny because back in California, this was not something that we had. It was just like, I think we had like no light anywhere. It was ridiculous. Like this, in our condo, I think there was like one downstairs and none upstairs. We just kind of relied on lamps and stuff like that. Anyway, so this is the office area. Well, this is more like David's extra room. So this couch is what we used to use back in California in our condo. This fits in here. A desk, 2 desks actually. And we can always convert this back into a bedroom if we ever choose to put this in here, but I've already kind of have a strategy what I'm gonna do with this. So this is one of the closets, and please be prepared. It's kind of scary. David has all his stuff in here. All that. See, this one is actually one of the smaller closets, believe it or not. Just have this is all David's stuff. Maybe one day he'll organize it. It's just that we don't really have any guests that come in here, so there's no point. That's Mrs. Hall is me. I never changed my last name, so I'm not really Mrs. Hall. This is the Jack and Jill bathroom. 2 sinks. Here, and that's the other bedroom. So let me, and I love that this is all separate. So this is obviously the toilet. Should I show you? I think it's gonna be the one with the extra bathroom or shower area. Shower and bathtub. I mean, it's basic. Hello. Alrighty, let's show you the one guest bedroom that we actually made into a guest bedroom. So it's pretty standard. You have a lot of friends that come over from California, family that comes from California, and they stay here. The neat thing about this bedroom is that it does have a gnarly closet. It's pretty big. Beautiful window. La la la. Let's show you. Big. Much bigger than the one in the office. Alrighty, let's get to the linen closet. nothing crazy here. This is our bedroom. This is where the magic happens. Let's see if it looks good with the light. Oh God, I'll never know which one is which. There you go. Mind you, we're cleaning the comforter and all that, and there's some stuff we have to throw away. And this is all furniture we brought from California, so it's a little small because our condo back home was so small. So this is a king size bed. This is the master. Let me just stand back here. Without any of this furniture, David could do like a good 2 cartwheels from this corner to that one before we moved in. But I sometimes use this area to work out. You can use this area to work out, and even this area to work out. So it's pretty big. TV, and then here, this door leads you to my closet, to my walk-in closet, and that leads you to David's walk-in closet. So that's kind of a neat thing, and we haven't really seen that in a lot of the newer models. And so this is my closet. I'm not going to show you David's because that's his stuff. Not that he has anything to like hide or anything, but this is mine. Have all my purses up there, shoes over here, shoes on this side, jewelry. And that's about it. David's looks almost identical. This isn't really dirty or anything like that. This home was built in 2014, so that is the bathtub, our shower. This is David's side of the bathroom. Hello. David's side, that's where he washes. And these counters and this counter, is it counter? Yeah, this counter space is a lot higher than the one in the Jack and Jill bathroom. We did notice that. We don't really go into those other rooms, so when we actually do, we kind of realize like, oh wait, it's a lot shorter. This is my side. I clean this up. It doesn't look this clean all the time. And David's actually the cleaner one. He just has to set some stuff out because he's letting it out to dry. And then right here, it's just the toilet area, which is super nice. This is so convenient because you could still do all your other stuff, and not have to worry about if someone needs to use the toilet. If you guys enjoyed, ask me any questions. I'll bring you guys outside and show you around. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna show you around the neighborhood. And like I said, this is just pretty standard community here. So, see how pretty it looks? It's so quiet. You hardly ever hear anybody around here. It's kind of the nice thing about this. And most of all the neighborhoods, where my sister lives is pretty quiet. Hers is not a gated area, but she doesn't live like in a community either. But she still has an HOA. There is no pool where she lives. We do have one. And then where my parents live, they live in Henderson, and their area is pretty, it's a little older community, but it is very quiet and tight-knit, so very nice. Let's keep on going. I think it's like 110 degrees today, 114. There you go. Isn't that nice? So, hope you guys like this video, and if you guys want any more videos like this, let me know down below, and I will try my best to show you what I can. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. Subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then obviously like it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.